Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HyperX Pudding Keycaps full key set. So this is a set of keycaps for your mechanical keyboard, ideally your mechanical gaming keyboard with RGB lights, RGB breathing lights in them. So the idea is that you take off the keycaps that you already have and put them here, and they're supposed to make your keyboard look much better than it already looks. A lot of information over here. This is a full key set, so there should be 104 keycaps over here. Double shot PBT, long lasting durability, and do we have any more information? There's some over here. Shine through translucent design for lustrous RGB lighting. Anything else? No, that's more or less it. There is a there's an image of what these keycaps are going to look like. That's more or less it. Let's open it and show you what's inside. Okay, it will not be possible for me to show you all of them because they come in a set, and if I take them out I'll probably ruin them and lose them. I don't want to do that. But here are some of the elements inside this box. Over here we have the entire layout given right over here, so you can use this as a guide when you are actually switching the keycaps of your keyboard. Okay, so notice that there are 3 particular packets here, and each of them have different elements. This one has most importantly the numpad and the backspace, and along with some of the function keys. Most important, has the entire numpad over here. Notice the numbers and the enter button and the 0 button right over here. Also the page up, page down, home, end buttons. This one will have the rest of the number keys and the rest of the alphabets as well. And also there is a sort of a pincer over here which will help you remove the different keycaps. And this one has the rest of the alphabets along with the enter button and the shift button as well. Also notice that this is the space bar keycap right over here. If you take a closer look, you will see that the keycaps have a translucent body. Like most of the bodies are translucent, so when you attach it to a mechanical keyboard and the lights shine through them, it will look as if these keys are floating in air. And this is what you find inside the box containing the HyperX Pudding Keycaps full key set. Thank you for watching.